Hello friends, so in this video I am going to talk about transposition cipher. In transposition cipher, the ciphertext will have same characters as in plain text, but their positions will be changed. So we don't need any table or any transformation from A to D or A to F, something like that in case of transposition cipher. Now transposition cipher can be done in two ways. One need a key for transposition and another without the key. So I will take one example of both the type of transposition cipher to make you understand. So let's say first one is without key. So I'm taking a plain text. Uh, let's say the plain text is beautiful. Okay, I will write it down. My plain text is beautiful. Okay, now I have to write this beautiful in terms of a matrix, in a pattern of a matrix. So let's say I will take three alphabet at a time as the row of matrix, then again three and then again three. So I have to write these alphabet as a row of matrix until and unless my plain text is complete. So I will write a matrix like B E A U T I F U L. Okay. So in the method of non-keyed transposition cipher, what we can do is we will ask the encryptor or Alice to retransform the plain text in such a way that she will just reverse the row and reverse the column, that is row and column transformation. So let's first do the row transformation. This is my row transformation. So it will become, the last row will come at the first, so FULUTI and sorry BEA. This is my row transformation that I have changed the position of row in the reverse order. Then I will do column transformation. So column transformation, last column will come at first. So LIAUTEFUB. So now my beautiful has been converted to ciphertext, which is LUFITUAEB. So this was my plain text and this is my ciphertext after row and column transformation. Now if you want to decrypt it, you have to do that again, the row and column transformation in the order, reverse order. So first you have to do column transformation, then you have to do row transformation. So my ciphertext was LUFITUAEB. First I will do column transformation. So it will become FUBUTELIA, right? Now I will do my row transformation. So row transformation is last row will come at first and first row will come at last. Sorry. Okay. So again I will get my plain text, right? Plain text is again I'm reading like this. First this, then this, then this. The way in which I have transformed my plain text. So we got back our plain text. So this was the method of non-keyed transposition cipher. Now coming to example of a keyed transposition cipher. So in case of keyed transposition cipher, we need a key for encrypting our um, plain text. So for key transformation, I will again take the same plain text beautiful. Let me write it down, and in the same matrix form. So it is B E A U T I F U L. Right. Now let me take a key. So key is, let's say, cat. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find the alphabet which is coming early in the means alphabet, like A to Z. Okay. So A comes first in the A to Z, right? So A will be given preference first, then C will be given, and last T will be preferred. So what I have to do is I have to just transform these columns in this preference. So this plain text will be converted to ciphertext, which is, so this ETU, this column will come at first, then second one is my this column, second preference. So BUF will come, and the third one will remain at third because that is the third preferred column. So AIL. So if I change this to my ciphertext, it will become EBATUIUFL. This is the ciphertext which we get using the key cat. This cat is my key here. Okay. Now how to decrypt this? So for decrypting also we have to use the same method. I will write my ciphertext in form of a matrix. So my ciphertext is EBATUIUFL, and my key was cat, right? So this is my first preference, this is my second preference, and this is third preference. So I will convert back this to, now this is first preference, so I will write this column first. So it will be BUF, then second preference is first column, so I will write it down ETU, and third will remain at that place, AIL. So if you see, my plain text will again become BEA, the first row, then second row, that is UTI, and finally the last row. So I will get my plain text back. So these are the two methods used in transposition cipher. Hope you liked this video and you got some information from this. That is all for now. See you in the next videos. Thank you.